Earning $3,000 per month from home is a realistic and attainable goal for many people. The key lies in identifying your strengths, leveraging your skills, and choosing a path that aligns with both your expertise and your lifestyle preferences. Let's explore the practical options available, how you can get started, and what it takes to consistently reach and even surpass that $3,000 monthly milestone. First, think about the different routes people take to earn a remote income. Generally, these paths fall into four main categories: remote jobs, freelancing, online businesses or side hustles, and gig-based work. Each path has its own advantages, challenges, and income potential. Let's break each one down in detail. Starting with remote jobs, this is often the most stable and straightforward way to secure a consistent income. Many companies, both large and small, have embraced remote work, opening opportunities to people all over the world. Entry-level to mid-level remote positions frequently pay between $15 and $45 per hour, depending on the role and your experience. For example, customer support representatives or virtual assistants typically earn between $15 and $25 per hour. These jobs often require strong communication skills, attention to detail, and the ability to stay organized, but they rarely demand specialized degrees or years of experience. For those with a bit more expertise, remote project coordinator roles offer a step up, with pay ranging from $20 to $35 per hour. These positions involve overseeing projects, managing timelines, and ensuring communication between team members. If you have a background in data analysis, business analysis, or finance, remote jobs in these fields can command hourly rates from $25 to $45, or even higher for those with specialized knowledge. Software and web developers are especially in demand, with rates frequently starting at $30 and going up to $60 or more per hour, depending on the complexity of the work. To find these jobs, look on established job boards that specialize in remote work. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, and Remote.co are excellent starting points. When applying, tailor your resume to highlight your remote work skills, such as self-motivation, time management, and digital communication tools. If you prefer more flexibility or have specialized skills, freelancing could be the ideal path. Freelancers typically work on a project or hourly basis for multiple clients, rather than being employed full-time by a single company. The earning potential can be significant, often exceeding $3,000 per month, once you build up a stable client base. There are countless freelancing niches, but some of the most lucrative and accessible include writing and copywriting, graphic design, video editing, web development, programming, digital marketing, SEO, and tutoring in subjects like math, science, English, or test prep. For example, freelance writers can earn anywhere from $30 to $100 per article, or $0 10 to $1 per word, depending on their expertise and the publication. Graphic designers and video editors typically earn between $20 and $50 per hour, while web developers and programmers can command rates of $25 to $100 per hour or more. Especially if they specialize in high-demand languages or platforms, digital marketing and SEO experts are also in high demand, earning $25 to $75 per hour for helping businesses grow their online presence. If you have a knack for teaching, online tutoring can pay $20 to $60 per hour, and you can work with students all over the world from the comfort of your home. To get started, create profiles on popular freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal, Freelancer, and Contra. These sites connect you with clients looking for your specific skill set. Building a strong portfolio with samples of your work is crucial. It helps you stand out and command higher rates as you gain experience and positive reviews. Another path worth considering is building an online business or launching a side hustle. While this option often takes more time to generate consistent income, it has the potential to offer passive revenue and even exceed your initial $3,000 goal over time. Common online business models include content creation, e-commerce, online courses, coaching, and affiliate marketing. Content creation, such as starting a YouTube channel or a blog, is a popular choice. Here, the key is creating valuable, engaging content that attracts an audience. Monetization happens through ad revenue, sponsorships, and selling digital or physical products. While it may take several months of consistent effort before you start earning significant income, the long-term potential is substantial, especially if you carve out a unique niche or perspective. E-commerce is another thriving sector. With platforms like Shopify, Amazon FBA, and Etsy, you can sell either physical goods or digital products directly to customers. Success in e-commerce depends on your ability to identify market needs, source or create quality products, and market them effectively. Some people focus on dropshipping, while others design and manufacture their own products. Online courses and coaching are excellent options for those with specialized knowledge or teaching skills. Platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy to create, market, and sell your own courses. Whether you're teaching coding, design, finance, or even personal development, there's an audience looking to learn from your expertise. Affiliate marketing is another side hustle that can generate passive income. By promoting products and services you believe in and sharing affiliate links, you can earn commissions on each sale. This model works well in combination with content creation, as you can incorporate affiliate recommendations into your blog posts, videos, or social media content. For those seeking maximum flexibility and variety, the gig economy offers a mix of short-term projects and part-time remote work that can be combined to reach your income goals. Common options include transcription, translation, remote call center work, bookkeeping, and administrative support. Transcriptionists and translators can earn $15 to $30 per hour, while remote call center agents typically earn $12 to $20 per hour. Bookkeepers and administrative assistants with experience can command $20 to $40 per hour. To maximize your chances of consistently earning $3,000 or more each month, consider these practical tips. First, focus on developing one high-demand skill. Whether it's writing, coding, digital marketing, finance, or project management, becoming proficient in a sought-after area makes it much easier to find work and command higher rates. Start by seeking stability. Remote jobs or regular freelance gigs provide a reliable income baseline. As you gain experience and confidence, diversify your income streams. This could mean building a side hustle or taking on occasional gigs that complement your main work. Build a strong online presence. Create a portfolio that showcases your skills and previous projects. A personal website, LinkedIn profile, or GitHub repository can make a big difference when clients or employers are considering you for remote work. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Join online communities, attend virtual events, and connect with others in your field. As your experience grows, consider gradually increasing your rates or taking on higher-level projects. Invest time in learning new skills and staying updated with industry trends. The more versatile you are, the more opportunities you'll discover. For those who have a background in finance, technology, or project management, the prospects are especially bright. Remote business analyst or financial analyst roles are plentiful, with pay rates comfortably in the $25 to $45 per hour range. Freelancing opportunities in capital markets consulting or project management are also in demand and can command premium rates for specialized expertise. If you're interested in building long-term passive income, consider creating finance-related content. Whether it's through starting a YouTube channel, writing a finance blog, or developing online courses, sharing your knowledge can become a valuable asset that pays dividends for years to come. Ultimately, earning $3,000 per month from home is not just about finding the right job or gig. It's about consistency, adaptability, and the willingness to keep learning and evolving. By choosing a path that matches your skills and interests, staying proactive in your job search or client outreach, and continuously improving your portfolio and expertise, you'll be well on your way to achieving and surpassing your remote income goals.